Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about an important chapter in our class 12, electrostatics. Okay, right? So this is the first chapter in our class 12. So it's a very important chapter. So it deals about electric field. Okay. Now see this chapter name itself, electrostatics. Right? So electro, it means that we call it as an electron. Okay, electron, right? So electron is basically nothing but an electric charge, right? So it is nothing but an electric charge. And statics, right? What is meant by statics? Yes, of course. Okay, so this means that what? Static means the object will be at rest. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to study about the electron. Okay, the motion of the electron is considered to be as a rest. Okay, so we will study about the electron at what? Rest. Okay, this is what we call it as a electrostatics, or certain peoples call this as a static electricity, because the electron is rest. We call this particular topic to be as what? Static electricity. Okay, so if you see electrostatics, okay, so it will consist of two important fields, right? So the electrostatics, right, so this consists of a two important field. So in the first part of the electrostatics we will study about electric force, then we will study about electric field. Okay, so these part we will study. We will about charge. Okay, so we will study about the electric charges and fields. Okay, so in the second part we will study about electric potential, then potential energy. Basically this part of physics is divided into two important divisions. Okay, so first one we will study about charge and field. So in our second part we will study about potential. Okay, so in the first part we will study about the charge and the field. In the second part we will study about electric potential, right? Similarly, okay, so next one we are going to see about what is mean by an electric charge. Okay, I told that, so it is nothing but the study of electron at rest. Okay, now see this electron is nothing but we call it as an electric charge, right? So basically we should know what are the electric charges available, right? So you know this concept, right? What are the charges available? Yes, of course. What? We will have two types of charges, right? So one will be positive charge and another will be negative charge. Okay, so we will have a positive charge and also we will have a negative charge, right? So this was named as positive and negative by an American scientist. Okay, so American scientist Benjamin Franklin. So he is the person named with these two terms, right? Static, positive charges and negative charges. Okay, so what is meant by positive charge? When you will say a charge to be as a positive and when you will say a charge to be as a negative. Okay, now consider, right? So when any element loses an electron, okay, so the element will lose an electron and it will acquire positive charge. For example, sodium, right, when it loses an electron it will acquire a positive charge. Okay, so we can say this positive charge is nothing but, okay, electron deficient or deficiency. Okay, the electron deficiency will be there in a, okay, positive charge. And similarly, okay, so we will say chlorine to be minus. When it receives an electron, okay, so it will be considered to be as a negative charge. So we can say that excess of electron, right? So excess of electron, when you have excess of electron we will call the charge to be negative. Similarly, there will be one more charge, it will be called as neutral, right? So we know that neutral, right? The total charge of a neutral is what? 0. Total charge will be 0. It means that it contains equal amount of positive charge and as well as negative charge. It contains equal amount of positive charge and negative charge. Right? So this is what we are going to discuss on this video, right? So electrostatics, nothing but a branch of physics which deal with the electron at rest. Okay, the other name for this will be called as static electricity. So in this particular chapter, we are going to study about two important contents. One will be charge and field. We will study about electric force, electric field, and next one potential. Okay, we will study about potential in the second part. So charges available here. Okay, we have a positive charge. Electron deficient will be called as positive charge, and negative charge, excess of electrons, and neutral, the total charge is 0. Okay, so it contains equal amount of positive and negative charges. Thank you.